Hello guys, welcome back. In this video series, we are going to solve LeetCode problems. So here is our first problem, 2sum. So basic idea of 2sum is you have one array and you just have to find the indices of two elements which sum up to a specific target. So as here you can see, you have one target element 9 and you have array of elements. So you just have to find the two elements which sum up to 9 and return the index of that element. So as here you can see target is 9 and 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So return the index of 2 and 7. So I'm going to solve this problem via two methods. The first one, time complexity will be big O of n, and the second one, time complexity will be big O of n square. So let's see the first one. So idea of the first one is first store elements and elements into its key value pair, like element and index of that element into one dictionary. So basic idea is just store elements and its index into a dictionary and check if the difference of target and element is already in the dictionary or not. If it is already in the dictionary, then return the dictionary's values and current index. Means dictionary's difference value and the current index. So just first write, I'm just naming our dictionary as extra equal to this, and for I in range of len of nums, find the difference. I'm storing difference in the variable name temp equal to target minus numbers of I, and check if the difference is already in the dictionary or not. If temp is already in the dictionary, then return the differenced index, differenced keys and the current index, and store, as I have said, a store element as a key and index as a value. So here I'm just first it will calculate the first I is 0, so it will find the difference as 9 minus number of 0, which is 2. So it first times it will be 7. So now extra is empty, so it won't execute. It comes here, so it will have extra of 2 equal to 0. Now again in the second time it will find difference. Now temp will equal to target, which is 9 minus I equal to 1, so which is 9 minus 7, which is 2. So now it will find 2, it is in the dictionary or not. So as here you can see extra of 2 is already in the dictionary, so it will execute this. So it will return extra of difference, which is extra of difference, which is, as here you can see, extra of 2, so which is equal to 0, and the current index, which is 1. So now let's run the code. So as here you can see it executed successfully. Now submit this code. So as here you can see it is accepted. So running time is 52 milliseconds. Now let's write our second method. The basic idea of second method is to just run two loops and find the difference. So first one will start from 0 to n, and second one will start from I plus 1 to n. Range of len of nums. Second one will start from in start from I plus 1 to len of nums, and it will find if nums of I j equal to target minus nums of I, then just return I and j. So here it is just finding out the first it will start from here, first loop 0 to n, second loop will start from 1 to n, and it is finding like I j in this inner loop it will j will be j equal to 1, so it is just finding j of 7, j of 1 which is 7 equal to target is 9, 9 minus I is 0, so 9 minus 2 which is 7, so 7 and 7 equal, so it will return 0 and 1. So as here you can see it is running in. So let's submit this code. So previous execution time was 55 milliseconds. Now let's see this code running time. So as here you can see the running time is 5840 milliseconds, which is a lot more than the previous one. So running time of this is big of n square, because here there are two loops, and running time of this code is big of n because here I have just written only one loop. So this is that's it for this. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.